2 pounds ground beef. Yes.
Ground beef, yes. Are we doubling the recipe, hocam?
Yes.
Yes, we do. It says
chops onion and half bunch parsley. Yes. 1 cups bulgur.
Is that coarse or fine?
Fine.
Fine bulgur.
And 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon pepper paste, and all the 1 teaspoon black pepper, red pepper, salt. Now and now
add a little bit of water to your meat mixture so it sticks together.
Yes.
it should be the same, like you can make a cake and take
For the vegetarian version, we are adding tomato paste to the sauteed onion. See, the tomato paste changes color. Add a little bit of water to the onions and the tomato paste.
Oh, you're going to put it in it.
We're adding some salt to the tomato paste sauce. We're adding the bulgur balls to the tomato sauce mixture, and we're going to let them cook on top of the stove.
Why doesn't it seem like this?
We have half a stick of unsalted butter, which we've added 1 heaping tablespoon of flour. Now we're adding about half a cup of olive oil.
Yes.
Notice that she didn't wait for the butter to melt before she added the flour. Now we're adding 1 heaping tablespoon of tomato paste for our sauce for our meatballs. And 1 tablespoon of tomato pepper paste. So we have pepper paste and tomato paste equal amounts. Stir it well. Now we're adding some boiling water to our sauce for our meatballs. Salt.
Oh, sorry.
Add more water if necessary for your sauce for your meatballs. We've added our meatballs to our sauce. They're going to cook for about 10 or 15 minutes. And this is all done on the stove top. Adding the juice from half a lemon to our meatball mixture with the sauce. And it's really for the flavor. It adds a lot of nice fresh flavor to this.